Look, look,
Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Bro. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook, bro. Let him cook. Let him cook. Oh my god. Oh my god. I bet. Hey man. Hey man. Ooh, was it? Ooh, he knifed you?
twice.
Dude. Oh shit, alright bro. Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. Yeah. No, you're not. Oh, Isaac, you know you got that. I'll let you get that, Isaac, sorry. Oh shit, oh! Isaac, you didn't get it, bro? What are you doing? Isaac, if you don't get him, bro.
Ah, she came in.
Isaac, what are you doing? Isaac, use a fucking gun, bro. Oh, alright, bro. Alright then, bro. Oh, just fuck me for whatever I said.
I asked if I want to use a sniper. I mean, sniper.
Oh my god. Oh. No, I'm not. I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm not anywhere in the middle. Oh!
Damn, like that?
Hi, on me! Throw on my cheeks. Oh! Isaac, how do you still get killed?
Ah, no!
Oh my, I don't even know who they aim for. Yana!
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Right there, right there, right there.
I got it.
Oh shit, alright bro, chill out. But what the hell are you using?
It's that the fucking revolver gun.
Alright bro. Alright, right there, right there. Bro, she has a riot shield out. Alright bro.
Damn. I got life. You made me fall for that fucking decoy.
Oh my god.
Damn it.
Ooh. Like 10. Maybe 15. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Alright, hey, what the fuck? What?
I killed your ass.
With the riot shield, bro? Ooh, ooh. Yo, that's a shot, bro. That's a shot. That's a shot.
So Eddie, what were you saying about the knife? I was gonna get what?
Ooh, get him, get him. Alright, bro.
Oh, damn.
He has a top, huh? He has a top, huh? Oh, never mind.
Oh! He brought out the F tag.
Right there, is it? Oh, okay then. What the fuck? No way. Oh. Hi.
Ah.
Alright, bro. Yana.
Ah.
What's up, babe?
Yeah, I'm on top.
Ah, damn.
Yana's on top. Yana's on top.
Yeah, I see me. Eddie.
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 Yeah.
Ah, no. Come on. I don't like that.
Let's go.
Eddie. Sweet cheeks.
Behind you. Jose, behind you.
I know. Bro, I'm so low on ammo, dude. I'm so fucking low on ammo. Dude, I think I'm so low on ammo. Right there. Get him. Where's Yana?
Oh.
Oh, I see. I see Yana. Oh.
Dude,
Ah,
there's
damn.
no way. How did I get a hit marker with that?
Oh. Alright. Oh fuck! I tried throwing knife in there. Alright, now I finally have an hour, dude. I finally have fucking hour. Yes, sir.
Peekaboo.
Damn.
I got stuck.
Alright, bro. Oh! Right there, me. Yana. Oh my god, bro.
He's coming at you.
There.
Damn.
Dude, oh shit.
Ah,
Yeah, you got that.
Let's go.
hey.
Watch out behind you,
Ah, I couldn't go nowhere.
Oof.
Ah,
Bro.
but you turned it around. By the pipes.
Damn.
Oh, almost had you. Get Isaac.
Babe, help me out.
Oh!
Ah, right there. Hello.
Damn.
Baby's right here next to us. Right
I'm not.
Oh,
Oh.
That should have been a first shot.
Damn, that
I
was
don't know, you get like 5 digits times this shit.
Yeah.
I would just automatic Spider-Man.
Hey, I got a hit marker on me, bro. That shit didn't kill you.
I was about to get him right there.
I was going around.
Alright, let's go again, but knives only.
Knives only, huh?